Hi guys, welcome to this week's show, and today we're going to be talking about tires and how too much weight can destroy the performance of your crawler. So the other day I'm talking to a guy and he says that he's gotten all these massive extras. He spent a lot of money and he got the metal axles, he got the brass knuckles, and he just put weight and weight and weight into his crawler. And after he was going out on the trail, he was just falling over, rolling over, and he didn't understand what the heck has happened. He spent all the money on all these super parts that Traxxas has to offer, but the car got worse. So we're going to go into that and find out exactly what he did wrong. So in my last couple of videos, you've been seeing me put 40 grams and 30 grams into the wheels and this and this and this. Now, all in all, the car kind of still stays balanced, and that's the main important part. You cannot just put weight on it, because eventually your suspension will start sagging and your wheels will start giving up. And that's where we come to these beautiful, very, very soft wheels. So I'm going to demonstrate what too much weight does to the performance of your crawler. And to make my demonstration more scientific, I'm going to take this body off and bring out the 700 gram 3D printed, double layered, and what was it, epoxy resin painted Bronco body, which now weighs around 700 grams. So I'm going to plonk that on there, change the tires, and then we're going to go out and see how these soft tires battle with the weight. Hang on a second. How about we spray this car orange before we do that? Huh? So I've changed the tires to the softer ones, added the extra body, and I know what you're thinking. It's never going to look this pretty ever again. So enjoy it while it has no scratches, and I'm sure we're going to have a rollover or two, and we're going to give it a bit of patina. So let's take it out on the track and see what the weight does to those tires. Okay, that was over the top, and I admit I did have a bit of rubbing on the body, so in the wheel arches the tire did get hooked as well, but you could see on the video that the tire just could not cope under the weight of the car. Now the original TRX4 tire is a little bit tougher, the foam is a little bit thicker, and it can handle more weight than the original TRX4 chassis is. But this has, I think, 200 grams plus the body is 700 grams, so I've got weights and the body on top of it. Then I chose these tires which are from a much lighter crawler just to demonstrate what actually happens. Now say now you start adding weight to TRX4 and the car gets heavier and heavier and heavier. You might notice too late that the tire is actually giving up. So just keep in the back of your mind, you do need to upgrade the foam or buy another set of tires that can actually handle that weight. So that's it for me this week. Thanks for watching. Click that notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.